Even a 5-year-old knows that this is as choreographed as any ballet.
Yes, me. This is gonna be one hell of a match.
Hey, Millhouse, crank it up.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
This Saturday, for one night only, your life will be changed forever. One night only.
Plus the amazing.
the astounding,
The unbelievable.
Truckosaurus!
Oh!
One night only.
Truckosaurus! I have an announcement to make. As a family growth thing, Bart and I think we should all go to the Monster Truck Rally this Saturday.
Aren't you forgetting something?
No, I don't think so.
Lisa's recital is Saturday night.
I'll be playing my first solo. But Truckosaurus is one night only.
So cruel, Fate. Why do you mock me?
Now, come on, you two. What time does your little truck game start? Well, Lisa's recital starts at 5 o'clock. We can go to both.
People, let's have good assembly manners, please. Welcome to the first in a series of Saturday evening concerts.
Series, oh.
Tonight, Schubert's Unfinished Symphony.
Oh, good. Unfinished. This shouldn't take long. That was beautiful. Can we go now?
Sit down, Homer.
How much longer was Sherbert planning on making this piece of junk? Damn, no spots!
Oh, I think there's one over there.
Truckosaurus!
Where?
On the plus side, there doesn't seem to be any frame damage. This check should take care of everything.
Oh, thank you so much.
Mrs. Simpson? I'm Leo G. Clark, inventor, owner, and operator of Truckosaurus. Half bottle of domestic champagne for being such good sports.
Well, thank you. Wow, a woman mud pull driver.
Another barrier broken. Right on, sister!
For our last event of the evening, we have a special surprise guest. The world's greatest daredevil. The man who's no stranger to danger. If he's not in action, he's in traction. Captain Lance Murdoch.
Ladies and gentlemen, and especially little children, tonight, my most dangerous stunt, filled with many great white sharks, deadly electric eels, ravenous piranhas, bone-crushing alligators, and perhaps most frightening of all, the king of the jungle, one ferocious lion.
One drop of human blood.
This is so cool. He made it! Dad, I want to be a daredevil.
Kids say such stupid things.
You're crazy, Bart. You're never gonna make it.
Oh, my little boy.
Mrs. Simpson, Bart tells me he injured himself training for a career in death defiance.
Yes, well, we saw Daredevil last night and...
Bart, in this ward are the children who have been hurt by imitating stunts they saw on television, movies, and the legitimate stage. This little boy broke his leg trying to fly like Superman. This boy's brother hit him in the head with a wrench, mimicking a recent TV wrestling match.
Gee, I never realized TV was such a dangerous influence.
Thank you, Dr. Hibbert.
What happening, Bart?
Awesome!
Oh, man, you're the king! That's so cool.
There has got to be a challenge out there worthy of me.
Hello, children, and welcome to Springfield Gorge.
Wow! Otto, I'm gonna leap over Springfield Gorge on my skateboard. May I have your attention, please? This Saturday, I'll be jumping over Springfield Gorge on my skateboard. Bart, you'll be killed! Lisa, I don't know how to explain this, but I get the same thrill out of jumping over stuff that you do from reading.
Thank you for arranging this, Dr. Hibbert.
Lance, this is Lisa and Bart Simpson. Bart is one of your biggest fans.
It's an honor, Lance. How you feeling?
Ow! Doc, I heard a snap. Hey, I bet you'd like an autograph. Nurse? Your pal, Captain Lance Murdoch.
Wow, man. Thanks, Lance.
Mr. Murdoch, my brother is thinking about jumping Springfield Gorge on a skateboard.
Now, let me start by saying, good for you, son.
Captain Murdoch!
Thanks,
Bart,
Lance.
I forbid you to jump over that gorge.
You can't.
I can and do. Go to your room, Bart.
Hey, man, you could tell me not to do it, but there's no way you can watch me 24 hours a day. And the minute your back is turned, I'm grabbing my skateboard and heading for that gorge.
Bart? Bart? Bart! What are you doing?
Nothing.
The only thing I can do is ask you to promise me you won't jump the gorge.
Okay, I promise.
Don't!
I will not jump Springfield Gorge.
That's my boy.
How'd it go, Homer?
You know, Marge, we got a pretty good kid there.
Well, he's got a pretty good father.
Hey, boy, want to toss the old... Bart! Boy, I tried ordering you, I tried punishing you, and God help me, I even tried reasoning with you, and the only thing left for me to do is jump the gorge myself. Goodbye, son.
Wait, Dad! Don't do it! I won't jump anymore. I promise.
You know, boy, I don't think I've ever felt as close to you as I do right. Huh? You think you got guts? Try raising my kids.